Most SEO agencies aren't businesses. They're jobs with overhead. I ran one, so I'm allowed to say it.
Give me 4 minutes and I'll show you the math that's quietly killing agencies and the model replacing them. Start with the retainer everyone loves. $2,000 a month. Sounds great until you cost out delivery. Content takes hours. On-page takes hours. Listings, reporting, rank tracking. Call it 25 hours a client. At even $40 an hour loaded, that's $1,000 in labor before rent, tools, and your own time. And then add the unbillable stuff. Check-in calls, scope creep, quick favors. Your $2,000 is really $300. $300 of profit per client. That's not an agency. That's a tip jar. And churn makes it worse. The average local client leaves inside a year, often before you recover acquisition cost. And now here's the part most owners haven't priced in yet. Search itself moved. Now, your client's customers stopped scrolling 10 blue links. They ask AI a question and get 3 names back. So clients now expect answer engine visibility, review velocity, listings, content, and reporting. Same retainer, triple the scope. Every year, the deliverable list grows and the price doesn't. That's margin compression with a deadline. The old answer was hire. More clients, more people. Except hiring resets your margin to 0 every time. 10 clients pays for an SEO. 20 pays for 2. You built a treadmill, not a company. That's the ceiling. Revenue scales with headcount, and headcount eats the margin. That was the whole point. And I lived this. A decade in service businesses, then an agency. The grind isn't a badge. It's a design flaw. So here's the new agency math. It starts with one uncomfortable admission. 80% of SEO delivery is repeatable. Content production, on-page fixes, listings, tracking, reports. Systems do repeatable. Automate that 80% and the math flips. Delivery cost per client collapses from $1,000 to pocket change. Suddenly, a $2,000 retainer carries real margin without hiring a single person. Your people move to the 20% machines can't do. Strategy, relationships, and selling. The agencies winning right now aren't the smartest operators. They're the ones who stopped selling hours. They sell outcomes on top of automated delivery, and adding your next 10 clients costs you almost nothing. Here's your Monday morning homework. Write down every delivery hour per client per month, all of it. Then circle everything a system could do. If you're honest, you'll circle most of the list. We built SEO Autopilot to be that system for agencies. White label, flat rate, link below. Either way, stop selling hours.